Hey there everyone, I'm going to teach you how to make this program of mine. Let's begin. A bar loads up which either says addition, division, multiplication or subtraction, and you get two values here generated and the operation here, and you should do the sum here. And let's type in 23. Your answer is correct, but if you type in a wrong answer, let's say 33 instead of 36, then it will be like, sorry, the answer is 36. So this is a simple program. Let's go to the coding, and yeah, first let's change the back color so you can easily see the contrasting figures there. Okay, now let's make two command boxes. Okay, let's name this yeah, CMD begin. Okay, CMD begin, and let's change the caption to begin. Okay, then let's do the same with the quit, and I'll make this I named this CMD quit, and now let's make a label here for the loading bar. It's going to be a let's make a long one. Yes, and then change the caption to nothing, and then shorten it until there's nothing here. It's very thin. Then you should yeah, then you should make two large labels like this. I'll make them small, but you can make them as large as you want. My recording screen is small, so this will have to do. Two large ones of the same size. And one small one here. Let's name label 2 as LBL FN, label first number. Then the third label LBL second number SN. Let's change the caption of both of them to null, nothing. Here also. Is that and then you should the label 4, it should be LBLOP, label operation. Change the caption here to null also. Try to align them so they are so they look straight, and then put in another label. This is going to be the equal mark. Okay, and let's LBL EQ. Yeah, and let's change the font. Let's make it large. That's it. Bold, I like bold. 18. Okay, that's enough. Okay, you should remember that this is still label 1. We didn't change this. Remember, this is label 1. If you want, you can change it to something like LBL BAR label bar or something like that. It's your choice. Then you have to put a text box here. It's not a label, it's a text box, and change the value to null, the text to null. It's not the caption, it's the text. You can't find a caption bar here. And then you need a last one, a last label, long one. Yeah, and yeah, this should also be, the caption should be nothing. And then what you should do is yeah, and you should change the font in each one of them, so the numbers and the words generated are large. Here also, bold 18, bold 18, bold 18. I think we will need to change this also. Yeah, this label, bold, let's make it larger, 3. Yeah, and then let's go to the coding now. Begin. Yeah, you should type in label 1 dot caption equals null. When this happens, when you click the begin, then the caption becomes null. You see, there's nothing between these inverted commas, so the caption is nothing. Then you go to label 1 dot width equals 15. I think this is also 15, and like so the label will become small as you click this, and then label yes, and then label 1 dot back color equals VB white. Remember to put this VB here. Okay, then after doing that, you should yeah, we are making a loop here, and it's like do do until do until label 1 dot width is greater than 8000. Yes, well, this value depends on the speed of your computer. If the speed is very high, you should put a large value here, because this determines the time for the numbers to generate as well. Okay, then yeah, do events where's that? Okay, before the do events, it should be label 1 dot width equals label 1 dot width plus 1. This makes the what this makes the labels 1 width to increase by 1 until it hits 8000. Okay, then yeah, and you should type in loop. That's it for this. Let's test it out. Begin. Yeah, you see it's going. Yeah, okay, then yeah, let's do the other codes. Just already 9 minutes, so I'm trying to end limit one episode. Yeah, limit one of my sessions to 10 minutes. So I'll end the episode here. Check out my part 2 of this. Bye.